Welcome to SoftwareTrailers.com. Today, we will be presenting an amazing deal with Calendar.Online. Calendar.Online is an online calendar with a variety of features that are great for your team and also for individuals. Manage your schedule easily with Calendar.Online. Calendar.Online is ideal for collaborating on a calendar with your group in a simple and efficient manner. Just send your teammates an access link with read-only or edit-only access capabilities. No login or password required. Have an option to set a password or limit access to individual subcalendars. Allow yourself and your coworkers to be notified of new or altered events by email. Set up reminders for significant dates and for those teammates who are forgetful. You can easily incorporate your calendar into websites or can be displayed on a welcome monitor with your favorite view, whether you prefer day, week, month, year, list, or planner. Calendar.Online is not only suitable for groups of all sizes, but it is also useful for individual use. You can get daily or weekly agenda reminders to keep you up to date on future events through email. You can also get email alerts about new events or changes to existing ones. Synchronize all your devices and have access to your events anytime, anywhere. Make your team schedules align. Get Calendar.Online. Lifetime deal for Calendar.Online starts at $99 only. You can save as much as $110. What are you waiting for? Grab Calendar.Online now. Do you like what you're hearing about Calendar.Online? Check out the link below for more details and get lifetime access today at discounted price. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get updates on our latest software deals and so much more. Take a look at our collection of current software lifetime deals available on the top right of your screen. You will surely find a low-cost software solution among the countless softwares available. Thanks for watching. See you next time.